I want to tell you what in the relationship between Flamingos, this under 17 women, and Falconets for 2010 under 20 women. For 2010, we didn't get election to swear in a new NFF administration. Megari na be the NFF president we win that election that time. Aminu Megari for 2010, and the very first competition we in witness as a president na the women's under 20 World Cup. Before that time, Nigeria never qualified for the quarter-final for the semi-final of that competition before. So under Megari, Nigeria qualified for the quarter-final, then play USA, play 1-1, win USA for penalty, enter semi-final. The team where they meet for semi-final na Colombia, then beat Colombia for that semi-final, enter final. The team where they meet for final na Germany, before Germany come win them for that final. This one na 2010. Fast forward to 2022, Nigeria just get new election to bring in a new president. The new president, of course, na Ibrahim Gusau. The first competition where Ibrahim Gusau go supersede as NFF president na under 17 Women's World Cup. Under this under 17 Women's World Cup, Nigeria never qualified for semi-final before. This time, they qualified for quarter-final. They play USA 1-1 just like 2010. Beat USA 4-3 on penalties just like 2010. They qualify for semi-final. The team where they go meet for semi-final, Colombia, just like 2010. And if they win Colombia, one of the teams where they fit meet for final na Germany. Shey that thing will happen for 2010. It go fit to happen for 2022. At the ass 2022. See at the ass 2022. They call it deja vu. So things go just happen. They go just say, but this thing don't happen before. Now they say that year where Chelsea finished sixth for Premiership, then win Champions League. That year where Arsenal finished this, that, then win this cup. One thing. You go go and see that way happen before. Because should be people where they play too short, 3 direct. They call them forecast. They go say anytime where 3 play for middle box, if the number will go drop now 17. So collect 2 short this week, 1784. 2 short, 1784. Forecast. I don't forecast for that.
You see that person.
Hey, shit.